What's up everyone? Welcome to a new video. My name is Coen Hees. We're finally back with an updated office tour. The last one we did was in December last year. And today we're gonna show you how the office is looking. It's not finished yet, but at least we're getting there. And if you don't wanna miss any more content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And now on to the office tour. So we start with the front of the office. As you can see, the office has changed quite a lot. We have added a lot of branding on the building, so everyone knows that our company is located at Willemsparkweg 63. Let's go inside. So we're gonna start in the souterrain, a very fancy word in Dutch. So let's go downstairs and have a look. So this is the first area in the souterrain. As you can see, we have a nice little reception area where if clients come, they can have a seat or they can lay down. Ooh, if they're short, they can lay down, but it's a nice space. And yeah, you can also read a little bit in this beautiful book. It's Vieuf, nice champagne. Yes, for special occasions, we have this gigantic knife. Let me know in the comments down below what this knife is for. Is it sharp? No, not really. What is it for? The person who can guesses it in the comments wins such a knife. So the person that guesses it, we will send you a knife like this. No joke. It's like a small giveaway. If you guess what it is, you get the knife. Anyway, another bench over here as well. Two beautiful plants, a palm and another one, which I don't know the name of. But yeah, this is like the little the reception area. And we're still waiting on some stuff, but now you have a kind of an idea how it's going to look. Then we're gonna go to our lunch area, which is over here. One change that's still going to happen is that the tables are going to be matte black to make it more a coherent space. So that's in development. We also still have the beautiful paintings here. Those were already here for some time, made by my mother, our plucker, Linda Hartman. Beautiful paintings. Then we come first of all to the kitchen area. So it's not that messy, luckily, but we have a coffee machine here and sandwiches where everyone just can eat. Very important is that we also have fruit on the lunch table. You gotta stay healthy in these crazy times, right? And this is the chill area. Can also be a place where guests can have a seat. Beautiful plants, by the way. It's all real, the plants in the office, some real greens. And yeah, you can have a seat here, wherever you want. Here, here, here. You can sit there wherever you want. Yes, so this is a StoryVamps museum. A lot of value, but don't try to break in because we got good security at the office. We can show you that, but we have it. StoryVamps socks, the precious collectibles of StoryVamps. Every year at StoryVamps we create these socks, and this is edition 1, edition 2 and edition 3, and edition 4 will follow the end of this year. So the longer you work at StoryVamps, the more socks you get. And now we're gonna go to the garden area. This beautiful bike, you know already. I'm not gonna ride it this time. I'll park it here. But over here we have the chill area. These things are super nice and comfy, as you can see. But yeah, here you can have a quick meeting with clients or you can work. It's actually perfect to work from. Super relaxing, doing some sales and some emails or whatever you have to do. Over here, and then this is still empty. We're also planning a summer party soon in the first floor of our office for all the people that work at StoryVamps. Only, not for public yet. Maybe in the future we have some public parties to invite you to. But yeah, that's for a later video. Aside from that, during this office tour, we also insert some maps like the floor plans of the office. Since some floors aren't ready yet, but you kind of can envision how it's going to look within 1 to 2 months from now. Now let's continue to the second floor. So this is the area where we store all the merch, some books, some branding of Story of M, some socks, some books, sweaters, books, everything related to Story of M's, and just some mess. At this floor not that much has changed, so we're gonna go up and see how the progress is over there. So we start with meeting room number 1. A little progress over here. We have 2 plants and a nice couch where you can sit. We're still waiting for something very, very special that's gonna be on the wall. It's gonna be wallpaper, super nice. And yeah, let's see when that will arrive. But yeah, then the whole room will be Story of M's branded, but the furniture is there at least. You can sit nice. These things, by the way, sit super comfy. And maybe on the camera, what color is this? I think it looks super weird.
It's green, I'd say, but it depends on which light.
Yeah, that's a big question.
Comment below, which colour is this?
Which color is this? This is still the same. Over there is also still the same. And we're gonna go here to the future boardroom meeting. We have a little update over here though. Super nice again. But anyway, this is done. You can just chill here, have a meeting. We're waiting on the meeting room. It takes ages these days to get new furniture, but hopefully within 1 or 2 months, yeah, we're almost there. But this is gonna be the main board room. Yeah, so I will insert a floor plan of this floor so you can see what furniture we already got and what furniture we're still waiting upon. But this is how the floor is going to look. This is a midterm office tour. And hopefully we will have the final office tour somewhere in Q4. Upstairs, yes, also a little bit the same, still waiting for some things. For this one we also insert a floor plan of how this floor is going to look. But at least some more people. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed this little update of the office. We're still doing quite a lot, so hopefully within a couple months everything is done finally, and we might have to move out again. But that's for another vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to don't miss out any content, and see you on next week's video.